Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Next.js for landing pages with great UX step-by-step clearly. Begin your project by ensuring you have Node.js and npm installed. Create a new Next.js application using the command npx create next app my landing page. Navigate into your project directory with cd my landing page. Open your preferred code editor. Locate the pages directory. Inside the Pages folder, create a new file named index.js. Begin by importing React at the top of your index.js file. Next, create a functional component named Home. Inside the Home component, return a simple structure with a header and a call to action. Style your landing page by importing a CSS file. Create a styles folder in the root directory and a home.module.css file inside it. Add styling in home.module.css to enhance the user experience. Within index.js, import the CSS module using the following syntax. Use the class names defined in your CSS file on the elements in your return statement. Next, set up routing for effective navigation if you plan to include multiple pages. Create additional components for different sections of your landing page if needed. Utilize Next.js's built-in image component for optimized image loading. Import images into your project by placing them in the public folder. Ensure responsive design by applying media queries in your CSS file. To enhance UX, consider integrating animations using libraries like Framer Motion. Preview your changes by running the development server with npm run dev. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000. Test the page on various devices to ensure proper functionality and aesthetic appeal. After your landing page meets your expectations, prepare for deployment. Choose a hosting platform that supports Next.js, such as Vercel. Connect your GitHub repository if necessary, and follow the platform's instructions for deployment. Once deployed, review your website to confirm everything is working as intended. Celebrate the successful launch of your landing page with great UX. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.